If you're looking for Christmas tree removal bag, here's a collection you've got to see. The Christmas Shop. Most popular Christmas tree removal bag. Number 1, by Holiday Trims. Watch this video, choose your favorite. Number 2, by Holiday Essentials. Number 3, by Peak Seasons. For more great Christmas trees, gift ideas and deals, click this circle. Number 4, by Pursell Manufacturing. Number 5. Find these Christmas tree removal bag at up to 70% off by clicking the description below. Number 6, by Stor. Number 7, by Juvale. Click the circle in the corner to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Warp Brothers. Number 9, by Christmas Time Décor. Discover more Christmas tree removal bag ideas and items to explore, click the circle in the corner. Number 10.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.